Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a new presentation on the Google Slides application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the plus icon that you can see down below in the right corner of the screen and click on the new presentation icon, this pencil icon. And now you should give your file a name. So type it in and then press the create button down below. Now you are ready to customize your first slide by adding the title of your presentation by a double tap into this box, and then you will be able to type in the name of your first presentation, and you can also add the subtitle. Now if you want to add a new slide, all you have to do is clicking on this plus icon with a box down below in the right corner of the screen, and here at this page you are ready to select from these slides, and then you can proceed with this process of creating and customizing your slides in your presentation. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.